that that wow, I'm lost for words. Connor and Caden are the real sportsmen of the years. They label it as sports kids. Nah, they're the real sportsmen of the year. That story right there is it had if it didn't go off soon, it would have had me in tears. You guys are definitely coming down to Miami to see a game, to meet our team. You guys are unbelievable, and what you do for your brother is unbelievable. I got two sons, 8 and 5, so they will be seeing that story. I don't have to preach anymore because what you do, I can just show that and my older son and know what he should do for his younger brother.